Whether you're just starting your anti-aging skincare journey or you want to make sure your current regimen has the ingredients in it that you need to see change in your skin, this video is for you. I'm Ann, I'm 60, and I use these key ingredients in my skincare to see and feel younger looking skin. Vitamin A are made up of a class called retinoids. It works on the epidermis, the top layer of the skin, and also the dermis. It's a deeper layer. It stimulates collagen production, promotes the shedding of those old skin cells, which can really make your skin look dull. And when you have old skin cells sitting on your skin, it can create a lot of texture too, so dullness and texture. When it stimulates that cell turnover, it ends up that you have smoother, fresher, healthier looking skin. It's also great for skin pigmentations, the tone of your skin, the hyperpigmentation, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, helps skin be thicker, so it has a little bit more plump to it. It helps stimulate new collagen and elastin. And those are great. Those are the building blocks of youthful skin. So there are 3 states of vitamin A. From least to most potent, we have retinol, retinal, and retinoic acid. I'm going to start with the least potent. That is not to say these are not effective. Every one of them is very effective if you use them like they're meant to be used. So consistency is key, and because retinoids can agitate the skin, it can cause you to peel, it can cause a little redness, it can cause your skin to feel tight. You don't want any of that. If you're just starting and you want to start and feel like you're getting some benefit as you onboard your vitamin A, you want to start as least potent. Make sure you can do it, make sure you're sticking with it, and then you can go on up. So retinol is going to be the first, the entry level to your vitamin A journey. Retinaldehyde is the next step up, and that is what I use on my neck and my chest. That would be your second step up, and you would use it all over. And then the third step could be your retinoic acid, tretinoin. You can start with a retinoic acid. They have lots of different strengths. Your doctor or whoever prescribes it for you, there are different subscription services where you can use it and work with a doctor who will help you on board to a vitamin A in your regimen. That's vitamin A. Vitamin B, which is niacinamide. It can help with skin discoloration. It can help brighten your skin. It increases the production of ceramides, which help with your skin barrier. And when you have a healthier skin barrier, it prevents water loss, moisture loss in your skin. So it helps your skin look hydrated and less dry. And when you have a healthy skin barrier, you are better protected against environmental stressors, which hear about free radicals. They kind of go in and break down the integrity of your cells, which is kind of another thing that works against us in aging. Okay, the third thing is vitamin C. L-Ascorbic acid is another antioxidant like niacinamide, so that's important to have because when you have those antioxidants, it works at the cellular level to restore your skin cell health. It helps stimulate collagen, and it also decreases melanocyte production, so it helps with sunspots, helps with dark spots, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and it can also help with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Referencing the Cleveland Clinic, and I'm going to read this, it says, vitamin C helps you build collagen, which is a protein that provides structure, support, and strength to your skin. So we all know this, but it says your body naturally produces less collagen as you age, which contributes to crepey, saggy, and wrinkled skin. So anything you can do at any age to increase the production of collagen is key. The most important thing is using each of these vitamins, A, B, and C, in a topical or a serum or something like that on your skin every day. If you do that within 3 months, you're going to see results. Take your pictures, take them at 30 days, take them at 60 days, take them at 90 days. You will be so surprised at the results you see. I want to share 2 more ingredients that if you were to add anything else to your skincare at this point, these are the 2 I would add. So the first is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, which means it attracts moisture to your skin and it gives the appearance of plumpness. Think of your skin like a sponge. If a sponge is dry, it's kind of flattened and the pores are bigger, its texture is rougher. But the moment you add water to that sponge, it inflates, it plumps up, the sponge holes get smaller, and it's very pliable. Your skin is kind of like that. And so if you can provide moisture to your skin, it's going to help you look plumper and feel plumper because it helps your face retain that moisture and just really juice it up. It really improves the look of your skin. If you haven't subscribed, click the notification bell and you'll see that next video coming out soon. This is just a little series, a little mini series on, having the 3 must-have ingredients, and the next one is choosing the products, and the third one will be how to incorporate them into a regimen that works for you so that you see results in 90 days. Probably before, but definitely in 90 days. The 5th ingredient, if I were to add ABC, if I were to add 2 ingredients, one would be hyaluronic acid and the next one would be peptides. These are short amino acid chains. These tiny chains of proteins help repair your damaged skin cells. And they signal change at the molecular level. So because peptides help boost collagen and the production of elastin, it helps with skin firming and strengthening, which is what gives your skin that lift instead of that sag. So if you want to focus on your skincare, A, B, and C, so easy, so fast. Are you ready to do something like this for your skin? Because if you do, it's really going to pay off. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.